Hey everyone, have you ever felt embarrassed because of bad breath or worried that people might be avoiding you because of it? Don't worry, today we are going to share some super easy tips to keep your breath fresh and your confidence high. First thing first, let's talk about why bad breath happens. It's not just because of not brushing. It could be that your stomach is not happy or that there is leftover food in your mouth from last night. These little things can create bacteria which leads to bad breath. So, tip number 1. Clean your mouth properly when brushing. Don't just focus on your teeth, also clean your tongue and the area under your tongue. That's where lots of bacteria like to hide. Use fluoride toothpaste and antibacterial mouthwash for the best results. Remember to do this every night before bed. This habit can make a huge difference. Tip number 2. Drink plenty of water. Keeping your mouth moist helps reduce bacteria growth. So drink water throughout the day. It's simple but super effective. And tip number 3. Watch what you eat for dinner. Heavy or spicy foods like chicken can cause your breath to smell in the morning. Try to go for lighter meals in the evening to keep your breath fresh. So if you follow these tips, cleaning your mouth well, drinking lots of water and eating a lighter dinner, you can say goodbye to bad breath and hello to confidence. Here are some natural remedies for bad breath. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your mouth moist and help wash away food particles and bacteria. Green tea. Drink green tea which contains antioxidants that can help reduce bacteria in the mouth. Herbs. Chew on fresh parsley, cilantro or mint leaves. These herbs contain chlorophyll which can neutralize odors. Apple cider vinegar. Gargle with a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar before meals to help balance the pH in your mouth. Cloves. Chew on a few cloves. Cloves has antibacterial properties that can help freshen breath. Coconut oil pulling. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes and then spit it out. This can reduce bacteria and improve oral hygiene. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Apples, carrots and celery act as natural toothbrushes, removing food particles and bacteria from your teeth. Yogurt. Consume plain yogurt with probiotics, which can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your mouth. Fennel seeds. Chew on fennel seeds to help freshen breath and stimulate saliva production. Cinnamon. Chewing cinnamon sticks or using cinnamon in your teas can help as it contains cinnamic aldehyde, an essential oil that reduces bacteria. Baking soda. Brush your teeth with a little bit of baking soda to neutralize and reduce odor. Stay away from odor-causing foods. Reduce consumption of foods like garlic, onions and certain spices if they tend to cause bad breath for you. Remember to maintain regular oral hygiene practices such as brushing and flossing your teeth, and consider seeing a dentist as it might indicate a more serious condition. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And remember, a fresh breath is just a few simple steps away.